Installing a new app, where does it go? So I want to show you that. On the iPhone, first of all, how do you install a new app on the iPhone? The App Store. Where's my App Store? I have no idea, and I'm not going to go hunting for it. What am I going to do? I'm going to search. On the iPhone, that's swipe down from the middle and just type app. There we go, App Store. Now, with this nasty weather out there, I've been thinking I want an app about ocean waves. And Jim likes one called Windy.
Yes.
So I'm searching for Windy. And now there's a few Windies.
Which one do you choose?
But I see here, because of the little cloud with the down arrow, that means that I have used this app before. It's in my cloud. I just need to get it down on my... So I'll try that one, Wind Finder. I just tap the little cloud. So I'm installing a new app. It definitely goes to the app library and maybe to a home screen depending on your setting. And that's an app library setting. It can be used from the library, or you can add it to a home screen. So I know that my setting is that a newly installed app has gone to my app library. It has not been put on any home screen. So if you don't know that, that can be pretty nasty. You installed an app and it's nowhere to be found. Yes, it is. It's all the way in your app library. And the easiest way to find it here is under Recently Added. Now I want it on a home screen. What do? Touch and hold until it's attached to my finger, and then drag it to whatever home screen I want. And there we go. So now I have the Wind Finder, and we'll have to play with it later. On the Samsung, very, very close, but where do you go to install an app on an Android? You go to your Play Store, and I can search for it by swiping up, typing play. There's the Play Store. Now I search for Windy, and there it is. Looks like I actually have it installed, but it's been disabled. So if I enable it, I'm not going to worry about updating right now. Although if you see update, you should always do that. I'm just not taking the time. And once again, it has not been put on any home screen. It has been put in my all app library, alphabetically. And there it is. Touch and hold, add to home screen. And it takes me to the home screen it's been added, which I can tell down here is the second one, and that's fine. Okay, so that's installing a new app and making sure you can find it.